going on, everybody?
Hey, welcome to Let's Go to the Garage.
Again, so if you joined us last Saturday, we did a Facebook Live. Thanks for those who tuned in, and thanks for those who watched it in their news feed, because all the support helps.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys. So,
yep.
So those of you that seen it kind of know what we got going on. So we're making you a new island because from a few videos past, we might have wrecked your other one.
Yeah, apparently it's not a good idea to screw a miter saw into your wife's island when she's not there.
Or use a chainsaw in there.
Or cut the corner off accidentally.
Pull out the welder.
Or mount a motorcycle chalk to it.
So we are going to make a new one.
We are.
So if you guys seen probably before we came on, we've already got some concrete poured. We're actually gonna pour a river into this thing, and we're just gonna get set up here. And
yeah, we're really I'm pretty excited about this.
Yeah, hopefully it works out. We haven't seen any other videos like it, so we hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, like it, subscribe, and
let's go to the garage.
Yeah, we'll see you at the end of the video.
Yeah. Oh, no. Could take chunks out of the concrete. What do we do? lights.
You're just gonna play with the lights?
Yeah. I like the lights.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. This is by far one of the coolest things I've ever built in my life.
You're on the wrong side.
Am I?
I think
I
so.
don't. You know, to be honest with you, when you build something this cool, does it really matter what side you're on?
No.
I mean, we could be on this side, we could be on that side, and it looks cool either way.
It does.
So, hey guys.
What's going on, everybody?
Yeah. What's going on? We kind of over-talked each other there.
Okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. What's going on, everybody?
What's happening?
Well, we did it.
We did it.
I would say we did not epically fail this time.
No, actually, there were moments where I think we both thought we epically failed.
I thought it was sketchy for sure.
When the epoxy leaked, and we didn't know how to stop that, but voila.
Yeah.
As you can see, it did not turn out epically failed. This is epically awesome.
Yeah, this really was a cool project for sure.
Yeah, so just to kind of recap, guys, I mean, this is literally a concrete top with a poured epoxy river running through it. Obviously, we added the LED lights. You saw us hand build the structure underneath. Not an easy thing to do, but totally awesome.
Yeah, I mean, it looks good. It totally like we visioned it. I mean, I like it.
Yeah.
A lot.
Yeah, we learned a lot because this is the first time we've seen it. So if any of you decide to attempt something like this, hopefully you learn from some of our mistakes.
Yeah.
To make it a little easier. I mean, we spent, about 3 hours sanding the top of this thing because of this spill.
We did. But, it's like Wally and I always do. We're not going to test it and make it perfect and then show you what we did. We're all in all the time. I mean, that's just what we do.
Yeah, we just kind of go for it.
And
let it happen.
It was an expensive all you go for it, but but we went for it and it worked.
Yeah.
So,
hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share us. We greatly appreciate all of you.
Yeah, hit the Instagram, the Facebooks, you know the drill. But
yeah, we post a lot of little stuff out there on Facebook and stuff like that, other behind the scenes stuff, videos. So check us out.
Yeah, but it's late. I'm exhausted.
I gotta go home. I gotta work in the morning.
So,
hey guys,
till next time. Let's go to the garage.